Hello, the winter 2022 Fabfitfun box is here, and as we do each season, we're going to go through this box together to see if the items that I chose, will keep, and will use actually give me the full value out of this box. I always share my 100% honest thoughts with you about the products inside my Fabfitfun boxes. That's one of the reasons why I continue to partner with Fabfitfun, because I can do that. This is in partnership with Fabfitfun. I'll be sharing my thoughts and showing you items that you can customize and choose, as well as the items that I chose for myself. I was able to customize my entire box because I'm an annual member. Seasonal members can customize 4 items in their boxes and have the remaining items curated by Fabfitfun. Now, if you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it's a little bit different from most other subscription boxes in a few ways. In addition to the customization I just talked about, instead of being a monthly subscription box, it releases once per season and contains full-size beauty, fashion, lifestyle, fitness, and wellness products. And many are from female-founded brands. A lot of other subscription boxes do offer customization, but many of those items are trial or travel-sized items instead of full-sized. Many times a single item or two is worth more than what you pay for the entire box, and I do pay for a box out of pocket that I give to a relative, in addition to the box that I receive to film this video ahead of time. So I also want to make sure I'm getting my money's worth out of this box as well. Now, this particular winter 2022 Fabfitfun box has a value of up to $300, and you can get your first season of membership, your first box, for $49.99 with my code STEPH. If you're interested in more details or pricing or saving on your first box, check out my link and my code in my description box down below. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Let's see what I ended up with, what I chose in my winter box, as well as what some of the customization options are. For choice 1, no matter what type of subscriber you are, annual or seasonal, you can customize your selection. When you go to make your customization choices, your choices may look different than what I'm showing you here. Supply chain issues are affecting every business everywhere. Fabfitfun will have other selections for you to choose from as well. Some of these things may still be there, some may not. I know when I've gone to choose things for my personal box that I pay for out of pocket when customization opens, sometimes things look very similar to how they looked when I customized my box for this video to give you the early preview. Sometimes they don't. We just never know. Some of the available items as of the filming of this video are the Social Studies set of 3 nesting bowls in emerald green or mauve with a retail value of $40. These are glass bowls in various sizes. Also, the Mark & Graham wine opener worth $59. This is a throwback item that I've picked before and use quite often. Sometimes they bring back their more popular items, and I am seeing that in this particular winter box. Elemis Superfood Facial Wash worth $33. I have this cleanser. It's really nice. There is a car organizer worth $50. A Socialite quilted vest or hooded Sherpa throw. Both of them are valued at $60. Coach is offering a signature C-stud earrings set that retails for $95. There's also a battery-operated dual salt and pepper mill that's valued at $49. Nude Sticks is offering a hanging cosmetics case for $64. Also offered is the Unhide pillow in beige bear or silver fox worth $55, and that is what I chose because I have 3 of the Unhide blankets and they are so incredibly heavenly soft. This was a no-brainer for me, especially for winter. Depending on how taut it's pulled, it's roughly 10 by 19, 9 by 18. It's very soft, squishy, and cozy. It's not too big, not too small. This is a nice winter theme product I'm glad I got. I've actually been using it every day since I got it. It's every bit as soft as the blankets. I can tell you I would not have spent $55 on a lumbar pillow, no matter how luxurious it was. So to be able to get it as one of my 6 items in my box is really nice, and it will be used. All members could also choose customization number 2. I'm showing, as of the date of filming, the following products are available to choose. Hourglass is offering 3 shade selections in their Confession Ultra Slim Refillable Lipsticks. Those are very, very popular. The shades are If Only, I Am, and At Night, and those have a $39 value. Ola Henriksen is offering their Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner, which has a $34 value. Short Stories Series rolling pen has a $32 value. Perricone MD Cold Plasma Plus Eye Advanced Eye Cream has a $110 value. There is a Mercy fabric shaver with a $39.99 value. Also available is the Icon Beauty Mini Humidifier with a $49.99 value. And it looks like it has a color changing nightlight, which is kind of cute. There are a couple of throwback items available. The Lily Pulitzer ceramic mug set, which I got in another box. I really do like those mugs. And a 4-piece silicone utensil set in gray with a $40 value. There's also an item that I swear by, but from a different brand. This one is from Fila. It's a flexible back stretcher. If you sit a lot and compress your back like I do, this kind of item is amazing. You just lay on it, arch your back over it. It feels so good. You can also put it in a chair, and the back stretcher has a $50 value. If I didn't already have one, this would have been the item that I chose, but I chose the Hourglass Confession Ultra Slim Refillable Lipstick in the shade I Am, and it is what has been on my lips throughout this video. I love this formula. It's pigmented, creamy, long-lasting. I have a neutral shade in this formula, so when I saw that this was available, I got really excited. I love that beauty brands like Hourglass are getting involved with Fabfitfun because it lets us try these beauty products within these boxes, and it averages out those prices to be so much less than what they would be if you bought them full price elsewhere. I love this shade for winter because it's not really a red. It's kind of a berry that's not too cool or over the top, so I'm really happy with this choice. Both seasonal and annual members can customize Choice 3. As of today, the available items are the Short Stories Kitchen Scale with a $29.99 value, Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. This is a scalp scrub worth $53. Chinese Laundry Slippers worth $39.95. These are a throwback item we've seen in these boxes before. Too Faced is offering 2 items in Choice 3. The Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper in an original clear shade worth $29, and their Better Than Sex Volumizing Mascara worth $28. I think that's going to be a very popular item that may go pretty quickly. There's also a hair wrap that's available for $38 and Fig 1 Glycolic Glow Treatment worth $34. It's apparently available pretty widely and is a popular product that I'm not aware of, and I feel like I maybe should have chosen that to try something new, but I went with a trusty favorite that I know I'm going to restock because I use and love the Laneige Lip Treatment Balm regularly. It has a $25 value, so it's the least valuable item in this category, but for me, that doesn't really matter. I really just go for what speaks to me within each category. This is very nourishing and hydrating, and it just keeps my lips nice and conditioned, especially in the cooler months. It has a nice fruity scent, and there's a slight pearlescence to it, which is great if you want to wear it during the day. I've had so many pot lip balms and lip products in the past that I just stopped using because I hate dipping my fingers into them, and having the cap that snaps in the lid eliminates that problem. This is one of my favorite staple lip balm, lip mask type products that I was happy to see in Fabfitfun. All members can also customize Choice 4, and as of today, I am showing L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream. The 75 ml size is available with a $25 value. This is one of my favorite hand creams to keep in my purse. There's also a pretty nifty looking little vitamin organizer from My Tagalongs with a $22 value. And we also have a bundle of 2 products, a makeup remover plus reusable makeup swabs. The Vike, I think it's Vike Beauty Makeup Melt has a retail value of $24, and the Aria Beauty reusable makeup swabs retail for $15. We have a hair mask from Truff Love with a $30 value, a butter keeper from Iper with a $19.95 value. Kind of looking at that, wishing I had gotten it because it helps keep your butter fresh in the cabinet, which keeps it soft. I mean, it works for the refrigerator too, but I don't know. I'm not sure if that was a choice when I customized. Like I said, things are changing day by day. You just don't know what you're going to see when you go to customize. There's another bundle available, the Serenity eyeshadow palette with a $45 value, plus those same Aria Beauty makeup swabs, reusable makeup swabs with a $15 value. What I chose chose are the Sonage Mini Icy Globes. These are great for helping with blood circulation and depuffing areas of the face. I like to use them on my under eye area if I'm a little bit puffy. They're great for areas with redness or blemishes too, and you can pop them in the refrigerator overnight or, 15 minutes or so before you're going to use them, and that helps increase the effectiveness. I've always loved products like this. The other type of mini globes that I've used have been available only from a dermatologist office. These have a $54 value, it says, but I was happy to pick them. Annual members can customize Choice 5. Seasonal members will have their choice curated by Fabfitfun. And these are what I'm showing is available as of today. A Sology lifting treatment mask with a $69 value. Karuna Tone and Drench sheet mask, a 4-pack valued at $20. Insert name here, that's a brand name. Quick Slick with an $18 value. It's supposed to tame flyaways and frizz. I'm also showing a Chic and Tonic Snowflake mug, also with a value of $18. Pixie is offering 3 choices in their tonic. The Retinol, Clarity, or Rose Tonic all have $15 values. You can also choose a pair of Kitsch microfiber towel scrunchies with an $18 value. I'm also showing a bundle worth $54. It's the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration Grapefruit plus Espa exfoliating body polish. I always have flyaways along my hairline or just randomly throughout my hair, so I chose the insert name here, Quick Slick, and I love it. I used it right before this video. I've been using it just in my life, and it really works. It doesn't leave my hair sticky or wet feeling. I also like how close the bristles are because it kind of combs through my hair while it's doing what it needs to do. It kind of smells like melon, but I don't notice that in my hair after it dries. And the effect seems to last. I mean, I've been filming this video, my flyaways haven't popped back up, so I just wanted you to see how this works. If you're someone who has flyaways, even stubborn ones, this was a surprise for me. I'm loving it. Choice 6 is just like Choice 5 in that annual members can customize it and seasonal members will have their choice curated by Fabfitfun. And here are the selections I'm showing are available as of today when I'm filming this video. Aloe, or is it Alo? The athletic leisure yoga wear brand that everyone loves. Their Mega C body wash is available with a $24 value. There's also a cute Palm Snowdrift hat from the brand Lemon with a $30 value. Beekman 1802, which is a skincare brand that I have really grown to love, has their Dream Booster Better Aging Serum available, and it has a $28 value. Herbivore Botanicals Aquarius Clarity Cream is available with a $44 value. There's also an Awaken Arousal oil with organic botanicals that has a $40 value. This Works Stress Check Mood Manager with a $34 value. And what I chose is the throwback item that I chose the first time it was in the box. I've purchased it numerous times. It's a staple item for me that I continuously restock and use on a regular basis. The Way Detox Shampoo. This is one of my favorite clarifying shampoos ever. And they also included the Way Scalp Massager, which I think is pretty cool. I love a good scalp massager. This one is nice. This has a $40 value. I adore this. It clarifies without stripping, without drying, without messing with my color, and it leaves my hair soft and shiny. And it doesn't smell bad. It's hard to find all that in a clarifying detox shampoo that you should be using on a regular basis. Okay, so let's calculate what my box is worth, what the items I chose are worth, what the items I'm keeping are worth, and see if I got my full value out of this box and what my overall thoughts are. I am predicting I'm going to hear one thing in particular in my comments section, but first let's talk about the value of my box. The way I customized it, the value of my full entire box is $231. Now, when I take the products that I will actually use or gift to other people versus the products that I'm not going to use, did I actually get the value out of my box? I am looking at these products, and this might be the first box ever where I am not going to not use anything or gift anything. I'm actually going to use every product in this winter box. So this is also the first time the value of the products I'm going to use equals the value of my box. I don't think that's ever happened before. Now, would I pay retail value for everything that's in this box? No, I would not pay $54 for these little ice globes. I wouldn't pay $55. I think this is $55 for this pillow. I would, however, and have before, pay full retail value for this detox shampoo, the Hourglass Class lipstick, the Laneige lip balm, and I'd pay $18 for this. This is great stuff. I never would have tried this if I hadn't gotten it in the box. That's the point of the box. Trying new products, grabbing staple products that you already like, and trying products that you wouldn't pay full price for at a minimal cost. Now, I think what I'm gonna hear in my comment section, I mean, I may not now because I'm saying it here, is that this winter box isn't as winter themed as it has been in the past. There are a few winter themed items in it, but it is pretty beauty focused overall. But again, you can make it what you want. You can pick those winter items. You can pick more beauty focused items like I did. I'd love to know your thoughts on this winter 2022 FabFitFun box. Let me know in the comments what you think. I love doing these FabFitFun unboxings with you each season. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and become part of the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.